Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to paint this portrait with oil paints. To start the drawing, sketch an upside down egg shape, with the pointed end at the bottom. This oval represents the structure of the head, from the chin up to the skull. Then draw a vertical center line. If you draw this circle starting from the top of the skull, the point where the circle intersects with the center line marks the position of the nose on the face. If you draw the brow bone line and the nose line like this, you can find where the ears should be placed. Now, draw the brow bone line and the lower eye line. Next, mark the position of the eyes using these lines. Make sure there's about one eye's width between them. Now, shape the face to match the model's bone structure. As you can see, the position of the nostrils falls along these two lines. And when we extend the corners of the lips upward, they intersect with this part of the eyes. So by imagining or lightly drawing these lines, you can determine the placement of the lips and the nostrils. After drawing the nose and lips, sketch the outer line of the glasses. Next, draw the inner frame of the glasses. Now, draw the eyes and the ears. After drawing the eyes and ears, sketch the shoulder lines and the neckline of the clothing. Now, draw the inner lines of the clothing. Then, design the neckline of the clothing. To make drawing the hair easier, first sketch its overall shape, then add the details. To make drawing the earrings easier, first sketch them as circles, then add the details. Now, draw the details and lines of the shirt. Finally, draw the lines inside the neck, and our entire drawing is ready for painting. Dear friends, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be informed of my weekly tutorials. And don't forget to like the video, because it helps it get recommended to more people. Here, I'm listing the colors I'll be using in this painting. For painting, we also start with the general shapes. In oil painting, during the first stages, you can add more oil to the paint so it spreads more easily and quickly on the canvas. Now I start painting the overall skin tone of the face. One of the advantages of oil paint is how easily the colors blend. Because the paint dries slowly, you can easily blend the colors together with the tip of your brush. Now I start applying the overall color of the ears. Now I start applying the overall colors of the neck. Since I wrote the names of the colors on the palette before starting the painting, I won't mention the name of each color every time. Just pay attention to how much of each color I pick up from the palette and how I mix them together. Now I start applying the overall colors of the eyes and eyebrows. Now I start applying the overall colors of the hair. Now I want to paint the reflection of the glasses on the face. And now, I'm painting the background. The rest of the tutorial will be in the next part. Goodbye.